To determine if you have an I and L or I and L clone arm, look for the tab under the wiper arm. If it's present, you have an I and L clone arm. If it's missing, you have an I and L arm. Here's how to install a Rain-X PrecisionClear wiper blade on an I and L arm. First, remove the pre-installed adapter from the wiper blade. Rotate the adapter before grasping the blade firmly and prying the adapter away. Locate the adapter labeled D within the packaging. To install, align the D adapter so that the arrow on the top is pointing in the same direction as the arrow on the base. Place the D adapter on top of the base connector and press down until it locks into place with a click. This may take additional effort to push into place. You're now ready to install the wiper blade. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is up or in the service position. You may need to consult the owner's manual for your vehicle for instructions. Insert the adapter under the hooks of the wiper arm. Using your thumb, pull the tab. Ensure the tab on the wiper arm engages underneath the tab on the adapter. Tug on the blade to make sure it's properly fastened, remove the yellow plastic squeegee cover, and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Installation is complete. You're now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X PrecisionClear wiper blades.